Hello guys and welcome to another video tutorial. So now in this video tutorial we are going to learn about link building directory. So first thing is that now that you have understood what backlinks are, it is time to do some link building activities for the websites you are managing. So link building is an activity where you focus on getting natural, relevant and quality backlinks to your domain. So first of all, a bit of easy way to get backlinks is directory submission. So directory submission is a process where you submit all details to list your website in relevant directory websites in your industry. Example, I am running my training institute in my city, so I will definitely publish my training institute's detail to following directories: Google My Business, sulekha.com, yet5.com, justideal.com, yellowpages.in. So these are for Indian directories. So these are basically Indian directories. So you may also have, if you are a citizen of US, Europe, so you may have your backlinks directory. So with that you can search in Google that which are the backlink directories for submission of websites in Europe or in whichever country you are living, so you can get a listing from there. So now next thing comes here is listing. So if you already have listed your business to such directories, then just go out to such directories and check whether all the information are updated along with your website and address. So if you have not listed your business, then it is high time now. Go and find all relevant directories where you can list your website or business. So other directory posting, let's talk about what is other directory posting. So first thing is that manufacturer. So for manufacturer, the directories are indiamart.com. I am talking about India, indiamart.com, tradeindia.com, justideal.com and many more. And for travel industries, there is much like infoline.com, goibibo.com, makemytrip.com, yatra.com and traveltourismdirectory.net. and local businesses, it is like Google My Business, Zomato, Yelp, Find Yahan, Urban Clap and Foursquare and many more. So you can also find your. So now what you have to do, so the similar to previous one, just let's assume that you are looking at SEO activities of your client and that offers tour and tracking packages. So just go out and find your competitor directory listing, go to Google, enter your competitor's track, exact business name, find all the directory listing websites where they have their presence, and just next, then that's it. So go and find out relevant directories where you can submit your websites after seeing your competitor websites and detail, and you can also submit your details along with the website to get organic traffic, prospects and customers. And this is a great way of getting backlinks. So I think that now you have understood what to do and how to do. So let's meet in the next video.